So today I'm gonna run a little experiment. I'm gonna try to see what happens if you accidentally hit this steel core flip line with your chainsaw, to see if it'll actually cut it. So worst case scenario, we'll be using a carbide tip chain. So let's see what happens when we got tension on it and we hit it. Let's see if it'll cut through. Let's see. I'm gonna put tension on it. Let's see what happens. As you can see, it cut through the sheath, but it didn't cut all the way through the wire. It did do damage though. Chain still looks pretty good. Let's try it again. Looks like the fibers jammed it. Huh. Yeah, it's stiff. Huh. Definitely clogged up the clutch. All right, well, there you go. It didn't cut through. Looks like there's still 1, 2, 3, 4, 3.5 out of 7 strands that survived.